So welcome back students. So let's move ahead with the chapter. Last time we had learned about the AutoSum function. So let us start and we will start with the conditional formatting. So let me take the highlighter, that is this one. So conditional formatting, how to do it, a relevant knowledge. I will just read out the theory part and then we will do the practical. So conditional formatting allows you to change the formatting. What does that mean? That is the font color, border, shading of the cell based on the values in it. Okay, yes, you can do that manually, but it can be tiresome to do it manually. For example, if there are 1,000 entries, for 1,000 entries, then it is going to be very much time taking, isn't it? So obviously it is going to be very much tiresome and a huge amount of data, if it is a huge amount of data. So you specify a condition for the values in the cell, and if the condition is satisfied, then automatically the formatting of the cells will be done. Okay, the formatting of the cell changes. So this feature would be very useful if we are working on a profit and loss spreadsheet, or a temperature variance spreadsheet, or a mark sheet, isn't it? So you could highlight cells that have values are greater than a defined rule with a color, and those are less, and those with a less with another with a different color. So depending on the values, more or less, we can do some change of the colors of the font, or at the background of the text. So basically you can select one or more cells and create some rules. Okay, so you can control the following format, that is number format, font style, and font color, fill pattern. These are the things that we can format. So children, let us practically understand this, and this is the activity that I am going to show you to you practically. So what does conditional formatting means? Let's switch to Excel, and right away we will start doing it. So this is the data in front of you, and this is the, let me just do some kind of okay, this is the marks, and okay, I don't require this, just a minute. So these are the students, name of the students, and these are the marks of the students. This is the heading. So I can just go over here and okay, let us give some colors. That is not this one, this one, and I can give some background color just to make it look better. And this is the total marks. Now this is the activity we had done last time, and to this I can give some, okay, till here maybe, give some another shade, kind of this one, a more darker one, or maybe a lighter one, and this is the actual mark. So this we will highlight this. Now this is not, I'm not showing you the conditional formatting, I'm just showing you how to just change the background colors, and this is how it looks. And we can also give some format, that is all borders, so you can see. So this looks a bit better, and this is the name of the student, isn't it? So this is the total. Fine. Now let us go ahead. Now I want to see that how many students, if let us assume that this is out of 100 and 23 is the passing mark. Fine. 23 is the passing mark, and I want to see how many of them have got less than 23. So how I'm supposed to do it? See, these are the marks of the students. So select the entire marks. Okay, just drag it and select this way. It's very simple. Click and just drag and select the cells. Now that you have selected the cells, and then in the home tab we have, that is the styles option. Under the styles we have conditional formatting. So I guess everybody is able to see this. That is the conditional formatting. Under conditional formatting we have an option that is called as highlight cells rule. So highlight the cells rules, and then it has some sub menu. Under the sub menu we have greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains, and many other we have. We are going to make use of, that is, less than. So if I make this particular option at less than, click over here, and you can see I have to know already it has by default taken some values and it has shown the formatting, but now we'll change this. That is the number that I'm looking for is less than 23. If I see, okay, 23, or maybe I'll do 24 at this point, because 24 means less than 24 is, then it will catch till 23, or I mean to say less than, yeah, fine, less than 23, that's perfect. So less than 23, and now you can see, automatically it has highlighted the marks which are less than 23. So I can easily, now this is just a, very less data. Imagine if there is a student records where there are 1,000 students, and I have to just calculate the students who have scored, less than 20. So easily I can do this, isn't it? So this is how to do it. And now this is the by default color, that is light red fill with dark red text, and that is what happened over here. So it has been filled with a light red, and the font color is a dark red. I can go ahead, I can choose some other options like this one or this, or you can see have this one, but I can also go ahead and choose the custom format. There is an option that is called as custom format. It means we can have our own colors, whichever colors we want. So the fill color I can keep something like, dark green, and then I can go ahead and to the numbers, to the fonts, and make this as bold. Okay, make it as bold. And now if I click on OK, and you can see, click OK, and you can see that you know this is custom formatting. So the background was of a green color, and that number was bold. Now for example, if I, this is 12, I make this as 24, right? The moment I make this as 24 and press enter, you can see that highlight thing has gone, because now 24 is that the, it is out of that rule, and that is the reason it has just vanished. But if I make this 67 as maybe 20, and you can see again over here, it is automatically, it is going to get highlighted. So this is how the conditional formatting basically works. So there are many other options like, highlight the rules. You can use this very easily. Then there are top bottom rules, like top 10 they have. I can change this, so it will show you okay, for example, I select this. So I want to know the top two in Hindi, who are the top two students in Hindi. Okay, see, I'll just select this, and now I want to know that how many, okay, the top two students or top three, whatever it is. Okay, just go to conditional formatting, formatting, highlight, and I say, oh, over here there is a top bottom rules, top 10, select it and make this as 3, and then click on OK. This is, 12 that was already formatted. Okay, and so this is already, there are only 3 left. So okay, just to show the effect to you, I will just change this and make this as 50. Okay, make this as 50, and now you can see that the condition that I had applied was top 3. So it has shown me the top 3 marks of the students. See, 45 is less than the other marks, you can see. If I make this as 12, so this will be like the previous formatting, that is green, and then if I make this as 60, okay, and you can see this is the top 3, that is 60, 56 and 56. If I make this as 34, and now it will highlight, you see 45, because that's the top 3, 60, 56 and 45. These are the top 3 marks in Hindi. So this is, you can apply to everything. Okay, so that is how that top 3, bottom 3 or bottom 10. Then this is like, highlighter, like exactly it will show you the average, and like it will just have the radiant, and you can see that's the top is 60, so it is going to get covered completely with blue, and this is 56, less than 60, so it is just a bit less. So it just shows that, how much he has scored. 34 is the less, so you can see it has shown that a gradient that has covered, it is that is the less mark. So you just want to make it out very easily, so I can easily make it out. Go to this thing, this is the less, the marks which are the less marks, isn't it? Otherwise I have to just carefully go through the marks and then make it out. So this is how you can do it, children. So this is the formatting, conditional formatting, bar, data bars. Then color scales, like we can give different colors to the different different values basically. So just a minute. And then you can just color schemes, you can use different color schemes. You can see that 12 is green, then 56 is of the same colors. So this actually helps you to find the same values as well. And then yellow, that is 45 is of yellow color. Okay, that is the color scales. That is how to use it, although this is not it's not there in the in the book, but still. And they have shown the same activity, children, how to use it. So this was the activity. So we will just, what they have said, we will just read it. Okay, so open the spreadsheet and enter the following data. We have practically, I've shown this how to do it. And then this is the data. You do this activity, children, very nice activity, a very good feature to use. Then under the conditional formatting, option available is under styles group in the home tab, under the styles group. Okay, so conditional formatting is available under the styles group in the home tab. Then clicking on highlight rules option, a sub menu appears. Already I've shown you that's the sub menu. This is the sub menu. And note, you can select conditional listed according to your needs. In this example, we want to highlight the values that are greater than 75. So if you want to know how many of them have got more than 75, so you can easily you can do this. Okay, so for example, I select this entire thing and apply one more formatting, that is greater than, and greater than I apply 75 and I press enter, and you can see all that light red that you see is more than 75. So I applied two formattings basically. For less than 23, that is green, and for more than 75, that is the light red. So this is how to do it. You can also have conditional custom colors you can give, just like what I did for this one. So then what we have is submenu appears. Then I showed this under the format cell dialog box. See, this is, they have just formatted the font color, so you can even do that. Okay, it's very easy. And see, the same thing they have said, that is greater than or greater than value they have given. Okay, so this is how they are. Greater, less than 40, they have applied green and all that. Okay, this you can do it. So perform conditional formatting on data set, create a students list of 10 students and 5 subjects, just like what I did, children. You can do it. And it's a very easy activity to do. Okay, let me just highlight this, make it a bit bigger so that it's very much visible to you. So this is the activity, children. Please do this activity onto your computer or laptop. And then there is an a small assignment assessment part. Please do this. I will just give this assessment, that is snipping tool, and copy this, and I will save this as spreadsheet conditional formatting. Okay, and I'll save this onto the desktop temporarily. Okay, I've saved this, and then this was the previous thing that I've shown you. I will come to, so let me just have one more, but this already I've given you as a PDF. So then I'm going to add the new one, that was this one. Okay, so this is the, let us solve this. First is dash conditional formatting allows you to change the formatting, that is the font color, border, shading, etc. So what is the answer for this, children? The answer for this is maybe over here. So conditional formatting, okay, is at the first line, I guess. Conditional formatting allows you to change, right? So the answer is conditional formatting. So the answer, I will write answers Children, you are supposed to do this on your own also, okay? Not every time I'm going to provide you this. So that is conditional formatting. And then the second is conditional formatting is available under dash style. Which style, children? That is styles, I guess. Home and okay, I'm just looking this in MS Word. Okay, this is under the styles. See, under styles, right? So straight away we have the answer, that is styles. That's it. And then the answer for this is now that's I list any 5 conditions, formats, items that can be used in conditional formatting. So you can give any 5 conditions that you can apply. So this I will leave it to you. Please answer this. It's very simple. How you can do it, children? See, under the formatting conditional, so we can apply this greater than, less than, between, equal to, or you can have the main menu and the sub menu, any one of them you can provide, or a highlight you can provide these. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 are there. You have to just name 5. Okay, so greater than, less than, between, equal to. So if I want, I will just write this, no issues. Okay, so that is just a minute. That was styles. Now let me just go over here, and that is answer the following, and then I will list it over here for you. That is one. You can have, what was that? So that was conditional formatting, that is greater than, less than, between. So greater than, less than, and you can use this thing, children, between. Even you can use this also, it's very nice. You can try it yourself also, to use how to use these features. Equal to, then equal to, that is this one. Enter equal to, and one more, that is equal to, and text that contains. We can use all this one, text that contains. Fine, so I'll just prepare a PDF file and I'll give it to you. That is export and PDF, and I'll save this under the class 10, that is conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting, so it's there with you, and now you can use it, children. So I hope, children, that this activity is useful to you. Now please do this activity at home, and do the activity. We have time around 10 minutes, so do the activity, try it at your place, and just practice it. Okay, so I'm ending this session, children. Bye for now.